What's going on? Scott Duncan here with Golden State Web Consulting. I am, over the next several minutes, going to show you how you can add 10,000 a month to your sales by setting up a text VIP program. And so this is pretty simple, but there is a lot of really cool things happening with the page you can see on your screen right now. What we've done is we've set up a page that really, in short, allows our best customers, the ones that already know and love us, it allows them to sign up for a program to get specials and discounts, but most importantly, it allows us to set up something that we can use to stay in front of them whenever we want. So the problem with a lot of businesses is they are completely reliant on expensive and or time-consuming advertising and marketing. And they're completely reliant on many factors that are basically out of their control. And so what we have here on this page is something that once someone signs up, and yes, you are going to be given a discount or you're going to be giving away something for free, but we now have the ability to send them a message anytime we want that is going to get them to be a return customer more often. And here's the trick. They are going to become a return customer that will come in more often because we're enticing them with cool things. So what's going on with the page is really simple. This is just a sample page that we put together, but you can imagine what it would look like if we had your logo and your colors and kind of tailored it to your business. So basically someone comes here and they enter their name and they put their birth date and they enter their phone number and they click join our VIP program. And when they do this, the second they do this, they'll get a text message sent to their phone enticing them to come in and spend money with you. Now, really, really simply, how this works is, and first you might be asking, well, how do they even know or see this opt-in page in the first place? And how do they know to come here and enter their info to join the VIP program? So we're going to do several things that are both in-store and online to get people to sign up to your program. Our clients would have, say they have a Facebook page and they're going to create a sticky post on the top of their Facebook page that shows the offer, gives the sign-up link to the VIP program, and that link would be down in the comment section. So a visitor would just click on that link and it brings them to this page that you see on your computer right now. So they don't even really have to be at a computer because these pages look fantastic on mobile phones as well. So, but they can go, they can sign up, and that's it. So anybody that goes to the Facebook page for the business sees the post to sign up to the VIP program. Now, the other things we do, for example, a restaurant could include a business card in every takeout order with the VIP program offer on it. Kind of like something like this. And this card would go out with every delivery or takeout, and we also use them as a table topper. Now, of course, every offer is going to get something of value, such as a discount or something free, but they're structured in such a way that they drive new business fast. Think about it. Every single day you have an opportunity, whether you have a card sitting on a table in your restaurant or your service desk, or a card in a takeout delivery or on your Facebook page. But every single day a percentage of people are going to go sign up and they're going to join your program. Now that's all well and good, but what is the most important about this is what actually happens after they sign up. Because the last thing you want to do as a busy business owner is to have to sit down in front of a computer and send out manual text messages. So let me show you what happens in the back end on autopilot once someone opts into the program. Now this is where we sit down with the business and we set this up for them. The system takes care of the rest. So what you're looking at now, let me show you. So what you're looking at now is basically the back end of the software we use to build not only the opt-in pages, but the automations, the automatic messages that go out. So what happens is the system waits for someone to put in their information, and it's going to do certain things based on what happened in the system. So you can see here, this is a new sample account. There's no data in here, but you can see the VIP welcome, 20% off. It's the third one down. So the second someone opts in on the landing page that I showed you, they're going to be taken into this first automation. And don't let it confuse you. We're going to set this up for you. You don't even really have to worry about it. We'll just ask you a few questions and do it for you. But what happens is they opt in, and then they're going to see this first message in this particular automation. And it's basically, they'll get this message automatically, and it says, hey, congratulations on joining Creekside Pizza VIP program. Your first member benefits 10% off your next order, but if you order within 72 hours and use code, you'll get 20% off instead. Offer expires, and we've got it set to expire in 3 days. Now, if and when they do redeem the code, the business basically comes to their redemption page and they put in the redemption code and the amount that the person spent. And the amount spent is really important because that is how we track ROI. And so that redemption code is tied to the specific phone number for each person. So over time, you can see who spends what. So depending on when the code expires, they may get a follow-up message if they haven't redeemed the code. So 2 days prior to the code expiring, they'll get this message. Hey, first name, don't forget your 20% VIP code expires in 2 days. Call the business phone to order now and use code. And then 1 day before it expires, they'll get this message. This is it. You only have 24 hours for the 20% off VIP welcome at Creekside Pizza. Call now, use code. If they redeem it before 2 days or 1 day, then the sequence will stop. They won't continue to get the messages. But remember, they also put in their birthday too. So if we go back, you can see there's a birthday 15% off here. So if we show you the message they get. So the system looks for the birth date, and then a few days before their birthday, basically they get this message. Hey, first name, little birdie told us that your birthday's coming up soon. We wanted to be the first to send you a gift. Take 15% off your next order at Creekside Pizza. Use code when you order out. And then 1 day prior to the expiration of this, which we have set at 7 days, I should probably turn that on, which we have set at 7 days, they'll get this message. Don't forget your 15% off birthday discount expires tomorrow. Call now, business phone, and use code at Creekside Pizza. And then finally, we can go back. You can see there's some other automations in here already. And so one of the things we can do for our clients is we can sit down and schedule out a whole year or whatever makes sense. And we can plan out those promotions. So every single week there's something basically going out from your business, talking about what's going on in your business, and you don't even have to think about it. So let's go look at this one real quick here. So say Monday's your slow day. So every Monday, a message would go out on that date. Hey, Creekside Pizza. Hey, first name, it's almost lunchtime. We have 20 of our famous fried shrimp pizzas almost ready to come out of the oven. Call the business phone to grab yours before we run out. So you can see we're not really given a discount, but it's a scarcity thing. You only have a certain number of these special items, and if they want one, they need to jump on it right away. So every single day, people may see something where that gets them to sign up at your landing page, your opt-in page. And you have this really smart system that is day in and day out every single week it's working for you behind the scenes, putting out these cool little discounts, putting out these cool little things that are reminding people that you're still there. The key is, remember, the key is getting people that are your best customers to come back to your business to spend money more often and to spend more every time they come in. So you're basically training them to buy from you instead of your competitors. Now, your bottom line, you're just reminding them that you're there because people are busy and they have a lot on their minds. They just don't even think about coming into your store. So, but what we see with this very simple VIP program is that we deliver text messages with. People really love it because they get cool deals, and for my clients, basically they're adding five to 10,000 extra per month just from return visits from their best customers that are happening every month because we're keeping you in front of them. So remember, you don't have to send these out yourself. Now you can but you can by simply going into broadcasts tab in the system. Say you were maybe having a slow day, and so you go into the system and you type out your own message to remind people to come in. It's not scheduled, and you really don't have to do that because we can schedule promotions for you for any period of time as you want, even up to a year. But it basically all starts with them putting in their information on this page and becoming a member of your VIP program. Okay, so if you'd like to do something like this in your business, I'd love to talk to you about it and custom fit something that will work for your business. We're not overly expensive because of the way this technology works. It's something that we really want to see generate 5 to 10K a month for our clients. So hit me up if you have any questions. There's a phone number below. You can call me now, and I would love to talk to you about this, how this could work for you, and how inexpensive this is to get running for your business, and to have this running in the background to get your best customers to come back more often. All right, Scott Duncan, Golden State Web Consulting. If you have any questions, call the number below, hit me up, and we'll talk, get you started right away.